I'm Jake from 4 Drive Central. We're an aftermarket 4 drive fitting accessory shop. We fit bull bars, tow bars, light bars, UHFs, spotlights, pretty much everything that you need to go on an adventure on the weekend, we can fit it here in store. So we just reopened today, but we have been open for a year now as 4 Drive Central, but our grand reopening day is today, so having a really good time. For the rooftops, we do drifter and we do Bundutec. So if you're going out on an adventure, come in and see us. We can fit up a bull bar, a spotlight, UHF, any recovery stuff as well we keep in store. We can get you sleeping on top of your car with a nice rooftop, nice awning on the side, pretty much everything you need we have here in store.